people. So uh, this morning I won't be able to give YouTube that level of time because today being a Friday, I'll my kid will be coming and being with me, and you know how it is when you have a child. Life is just about the child, and right now, see, today I applied curd on my hair, yeah, curd on my hair and on my skin, so it kind of gives you that glow, but and that too curd because I happen to get it as when you there's, like I said, there's this beautiful place, Serenity Inn, so they give you the world's best stuffed parathas with one sachet of curd. So that curd, the reason I'm saying all this is, as a vegan I avoid curd and milk products, but anyway, I thought that curd shouldn't go waste, so that's why I applied it, and making such a big difference. So I'd like to shoot another 10 videos, another 9 videos, but I need to be back at my desk. Just now I was doing art of living breathing exercises, because each time you find your mind very in a very uncertain phase, you should just do these breathing exercises, and you'll suddenly feel good about yourself again. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.